Welcome back to the PraxiLabs Question Bank tutorial series. So far, we've covered how to add questions, create quizzes, assign questions to a quiz, and link a quiz to an experiment. In this video, we'll show you how to view the quiz attempts made by your students. Let's begin. Start by navigating to the Courses tab from your dashboard. Locate the course card that contains the relevant experiment and click on the course name to view its details. Scroll down to the Experiments section. Find the experiment that is associated with the quiz you want to review, and click View Details on its card. Next, scroll down to the Reports section. Under that, you'll find the Quiz Attempts section. Here, you'll see a detailed report of all student quiz attempts. Each row in the report shows the following: the student's name, the start date and time of the attempt duration, status, whether the student passed or failed, the score, and finally, an action column with an eye icon next to each attempt. Clicking the I button will open a full preview of the student's answers for that specific attempt. This feature gives you full visibility into how each student performed on the quiz. So far, we've shown how admins and instructors can create and manage quizzes. In the next video, we'll illustrate how the student can take the quiz and submit their answers. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next tutorial.